BJP legislator from South Shillong, Sanbor Shullai, on Tuesday said that 30% of his supporters did not cast their vote during the Lok Sabha elections due to anger against the party's failure to field a candidate from the Shillong parliamentary seat. It may be recalled here that South Shillong recorded the lowest voter turnout with only 58.36%.
I will tell you frankly, based on my, you see the day when I visited the polling booth in my constituency, interacting with the people but we have got the concrete information that 30% of the die-hard BJP, they did not cast their vote. That's why the percentage come very, very less. 30% they did not cast because out of anger. There are also men, women, boys and girls. I met in the polling booth, they said, our volunteers said, sir, these people, they are asking, they went to push the button. Since my name is not there in the VM, my symbol, this lotus flower is not there, they went to the presiding officer and said, Sanbor, where is the name of Sanbor? Where is the lotus of Narendra Modi? They ran away.